Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to send large videos on WhatsApp. So for this you can first open the WhatsApp app on this Android device, or you can choose iOS. So you can just open the randomly chat of anyone. So you will just click to the attach symbol. You can see in the message you will just click to the document, and from here you can browse documents. So from here you can just select the videos section, and here you can just upload by 2 GB video maximum. So you can find from here the larger video of yours, and you will just send it easily by the document on WhatsApp. So for now I don't have a large video on my album, so I will just teach you how to send large file. So I will just put a small file. So here is an example to you. So I will just click to send it. It's a small file, but you can put a large file up to 2 GB maximum. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.